Okay, so we left off. We had our front plane image plane setup. Before we do the side view, I am going to move this so it's in the correct place. So the correct place is, if you look in the viewport here, the two dark lines, two black lines intersect at 0, 0. If you keep that in mind when you develop your models, and I'm going to have this default shading, and let's see if we can also see. Well, we'll just try to move it down. What I want is the feet to be right in the middle there. So this point right here should be the middle of the robot. So I want that to be on the bottom. And I think I want to see edged faces. That's what I want. Let's see. There it is. Okay, default shading with edged faces. All right, that will show our segments here. That didn't really show it in. Never mind, that didn't really work out. Okay. Well, we're going to get as close as we can. See, what I'm trying to get is basically have his feet stand on this black line, and also have the other black line kind of dissect or bisect the image so that we can have one side on the other. All right, so it's pretty much going to be centered when we're done with the model at the middle bottom of the feet. All right, so that's close enough. Okay, so we've done enough work here. We should probably save this. So I'm going to File, Save As, and it automatically goes to your Scenes folder, which is inside your project folder. So once we set that up at the beginning, it's all easy. So I'm going to start by, we'll call this Robot V1. All right, for version 1. Gonna save multiple versions in case we make a mistake along the way. We can go back and kind of pick up where we left off. And if you save often enough with different versions with a significant amount of work, it'll save you later on. Okay, so I'm gonna get out of this view, and I want to look at, I believe, if you look at this robot, let's go back real quick. This side here is looking at it from, I believe, this is the left side of the robot. All right, so the left side is where I want to put the other plane. So I'm going to go ahead. You can see the other one here. I'm going to add another plane here. Try to just put it in open space. When you're adding it, you can just have ballparks, and then, like we did before, ballpark measurements, and then you can change them precisely over here in the content pane. All right, so we have a 2x2 panel, and you can kind of see how it's coming together in the perspective view. I'm going to go ahead and move it a little bit here. Let's undo that. Just going to move it along Y. When you create it, it should be already at 0, 0. So this pane, if you look at it, let's do this. See how it's going right down the middle of the robot? It's kind of what we want. All right, so this one's going to go right down the middle, and then you'll see in a minute what we're going to do next. So in the left viewport here, I'm going to choose default shading. We're going to do the same steps. We go to Material Editor. I already have this set up for front, and actually I think I'm going to rename this, just call it Robot Pane, because I think I can use it for the front and the left. Alright, I hope that doesn't mess up my other one. If it does, I can reassign it. Anyway, I'm going to select this new pane that's on the left view. And I will assign it to this button right here. Assign the material to the selection and then close it up. Alright, and let me check. Alright, cool. So the front one's okay still, and the one on the left is fine too. So next step is, let's look at this in perspective view. And we basically want to see this robot right down the middle of the other one. So if we did it correctly, you'd kind of see it kind of come together on the fold. You see how that works? That's actually pretty good right there. So you see how this robot kind of folds. You have the front view and the left view. That's what I want, kind of. All right. Except that'll line it up, so that's going to freeze that part. But really, I'm going to model it from right here. All right, so we have the left-hand side that's going through there. All right. So when you're looking at your model from the front, we'll see this, and we'll be modeling the front. And when we look at the model from the left-hand side, we're going to see this, and we're going to use the left part as the guide. All right, so I think we're all set up. I'm going to save. I'll keep this as the same version. That's fine, since we're just set up the image planes. We'll stop there, and you guys have your image planes all set, and we're ready to start building this model.